Did you know that you can create a Ghibli style image in ChatGPT? And if you didn't know, guys, I'm going to show you how easy it is to do so. All you have to do is just simply upload an image to ChatGPT, as you can see here, and you want to type the command create a studio-like Ghibli style image based on this together with your image, and you will have ChatGPT generate a Ghibli style photo of yourself. Now, as you can see here right now, guys, mine is currently generating, says getting started, and all we have to do is wait for ChatGPT to create that image. Now it's going to go through the phase of getting started, then it's going to create the image, and you will see the end result. So let's allow ChatGPT to do its thing and wait for our image to generate. And here you can see that it's currently going through the phase of creating image. It said it may take some time, and I want to say to you guys that it does take some time. What they said, they have a saying that says good things take time. So let's just wait for it to do its thing. I'm very curious. No, this is an old photo of myself when I was when I was graduating from university back in 2015. And here is the new image of ChatGPT creating me in the Ghibli style. No, I am curious. I am curious. And guess what? Have a look at it. It's coming on very nicely. So let's just wait for it to finish generating. Wow, guys, have a look at that. No, look at the two images and look at me in the Ghibli style. How cool is that? That's absolutely mind-blowing. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and give this video a like. Go ahead and check out this new feature here within ChatGPT. Or maybe it's not a new feature, but check out this. It's absolutely going wild right now. And guess what? You can go ahead and upload any image that you may have and try to create something really fascinating. So there you have it, guys. ChatGPT, go ahead and type in the prompt, create a studio Ghibli style image based on this with your picture, and have ChatGPT create this for you. How cool is that? Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.